want to show them that our people want to work, you know what I mean? And uphold the law, please, guys, man, you know? Because we don't want to burn tires. We don't want to act vulgar or barbaric, you know? We're here for the rights of the children, you know what I mean?
What is the next step now, sister? Are you representing the store today?
What, sir?
So we can find out how the policy is going to change, because we just changed the policy of the other store. You know, we spoke to two white people now, the management there. So are you representing, or are we speaking to you? Because we actually want to speak to your bosses.
Hi.
Can I speak to you? I think Stefan is better.
Now, I want to bring this clear to our people. No? This is what we were speaking about long time when we said, before the promenade was built here, our people did a survey to see, will it be feasible to have this promenade here? And the outcome of it was that there will be job opportunities, there will be opportunities for our people that have businesses, you know, there will be opportunity for the security, there will be opportunity for maintenance. All of those things were put into place for our people. Only to find out today that our people are not being employed by these shops. Now, ons was alright met dit gewees. Then we started to take it on. Then the DA decided that they will take us now to court because we can't do this. We are saying to ourselves now, there's no manufacturing here by us taking place. There's no industrialization taking place. So even if you say this is criminal jobs, our children want it because they don't want to become gangsters. They don't want to shoot gun. They don't want to become prostitutes around the promenade. They want to work. And I think it's by time that we become the voice of these children to say, you know what? This is Mitchell's Plain. Nothing about us without us. Aye, aye. Rastafari. Bless.
As I was saying, my sister, bossman. So is that store's bosses the same boss? Is it the same boss?
Then you can call them us now.
So then,
You can call them or we're gonna close the doors. And you can take us to jail if you want to. We're not afraid.
Yeah, because we go to jail for plants.
can you call Stefan?
Say what, my king?
Yeah, we went to prison back in the day, you know, when cannabis was illegal. We went to jail for a small bag of cannabis plants like this. So I'm sure to go to prison for the rights of standing up, like the victorious Ashley Creel and them, to do those works. It's more blessed to go to prison for something like that, I think, in my eyes, than to go for a small bag of weed. So I'm prepared, my law and my order, my country, my people, I'm prepared. Give thanks. One nation.
Father God?
You know what it is, truth, right and justice. There is no nation that can stand alone. Therefore we say, together we shall conquer all things, great and small. This is a small pebble in I-9 way, and the Lord will make it a stepping stone. So the victory must come.
There's no colored people can your
So we are very certain of the victory over good over evil. And what we do, there's no benefits in it for us. It's for the benefit of our children's children and their children. That's waaroor het gaan. Give thanks.
And we can't talk to you, man. That is my point. We can't talk to you.
No, this is welcome.
Yeah, we can't talk to you. And to talk to your bosses, man. We just did now. They must know we here. We weren't violent when we came there now. The doors is closed. Yes, madam.